Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a Beyblade Burst Arise Hasbro Tournament versus Pack. So yeah, getting into Hasbro stuff, even though I literally just got done with these guys, so. No! Why? I just got done doing an unboxing with this. This is literally right back to back. So yeah, here's the back. It's Valkyrie. With Gleif, Valtrek, then yeah, 1 dash, and then TH16, and then Let's Spin Zone, Bukesh, attack type, 8 dash, and then that's TH04, the battle set. Yes, that's how much I paid for it. There we go. Go. Ow. It hurt. This is just gonna be a quick little unboxing. Nothing too shabby. Just a little quick one, quickie. Grips. Nothing. Go. There's the grip. There we go. Oh, that's actually really cool. So yeah, here we go. Here's the code. It's basically reparts, so no. Pretty good. This is the rehashing of the other one. The Gleif Pegasus. That's the middle orbit. Here's the code for him. There we go. Yeah, this is just going to be a little quick little video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.